In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate duplicate Salesforce records efficiently and effectively. Duplicate records can clutter your system and impact your reporting accuracy, so managing them is crucial. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your data remains clean and organized. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon which represents Setup. Click on this icon to open Advanced Setup, where you'll have access to a plethora of configuration options that help you customize your Salesforce environment to better suit your needs. Now that you're in Advanced Setup, you'll want to make use of the Quick Find search bar, which is a handy tool for navigating through Salesforce's comprehensive settings. Type Duplicate Management into the search bar. This feature is vital for identifying and handling potential duplicates in your records, an essential step in maintaining a clean database. With Duplicate Management in sight, you'll find an option labeled Duplicate Rules. Click on this option to proceed. Duplicate rules in Salesforce help define how you want to handle duplicates when they are detected. It's here that the real magic happens in preventing future duplicates from entering your system. Next, look for the button labeled New Rule. Clicking on this allows you to create new duplicate rules. You'll be able to configure these rules to either block duplicates entirely or merely alert users to the presence of potential duplicates. If you choose to block them, users won't be able to create records that violate these rules. Alternatively, if you prefer to alert users, they'll receive a notification about the possible duplicate, allowing them to decide on the appropriate action based on the context. Once you've set up your rules to your satisfaction, don't forget to click on Save. It might seem simple, but saving ensures that all your carefully constructed settings are stored and ready to go. The last configuration step is to activate the rules. Without activation, your rules won't take effect and duplicates might slip through the cracks unnoticed. So, ensure that you activate all the rules you've just created to keep your records pristine. With your duplicate rules in place, you might find you still have some duplicate records lingering around. You can handle these by merging them, either manually or using third-party tools. Merging combines records into a single comprehensive file, preventing data from being duplicated and ensuring accuracy across your Salesforce platform. And that's it. By following these steps, you will have successfully eliminated duplicate records in Salesforce, making your data cleaner and more reliable. Keeping on top of these duplicates not only ensures data integrity, but also boosts productivity by freeing up more space and resources for what really matters. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Salesforce managing.